Hi, my name's Lauren from ACA. Today, we're going to talk about the difference between much and many. So what's the difference between much and many? And why does it matter? Why do we say, how much does this cost? And how many people are coming to the meeting on Friday? Here, we're going to talk about the differences, and I'll give you some tips to help you understand how to use much and many. Much is used with non-countable nouns. These are nouns that can't reasonably be counted. They can be concrete, like sugar, water, milk, or they can be abstract, like progress, information, work. The important thing is that you can't reasonably or easily count them. Let's take a look at some examples. I drink too much coffee in the morning. There wasn't much food left, so we threw it out. I didn't think there'd be this much traffic this morning. Many is used with countable nouns. These are nouns where you can put a number in front of them. Chairs, people, meetings. Notice how these nouns are more concrete, more physical, so we can reasonably count them. Not many people were able to make it to the chalet last weekend. How many friends do you still keep in touch with from school? How many calories are in that dessert? You have many different brands to choose from. Let's talk about time and money. When we think of time and money, we think of units like hours or pennies. And these are countable nouns. How many days did you spend in British Columbia? You don't see many pennies these days. However, the specific words time and money are non-countable nouns. How much time do we have left in the meeting? I don't have much money left after my trip. These are abstract, general concepts like love, work, progress, and other nouns that we cannot see or touch. Abstract nouns like these are non-countable nouns. We use the word to with much and many to indicate a quantity that is excessive, more than what someone wants or needs. The same rules we use with much and many apply here. There are too many customers waiting in line. There's too much work to be done before my vacation. This menu doesn't have too many choices. Do you still want to eat here? There are too many people using the copier. I don't want to spend too much money on this present. You spend too much time on your phone. So, to recap, we use much when we cannot reasonably count the nouns. Work, love, progress. We use many when we can reasonably count the nouns. Chairs, people, friends. Let's look at the example coffee one more time. Coffee is a non-countable noun. I can't reasonably count the amount of coffee I have. However, cups of coffee are countable. I can reasonably count how many cups of coffee I've had today. We can use too when there is too much or too many of something, and the same rules apply. While units of time and money are countable, the concepts of time and money are not. So I can have too many pennies, but not much money. So hopefully you have more information on how to use much and many. If you like this, please check out lesbonmots.ca for more videos as well as our podcast and blog. Bye for now.